Is your furniture a collection of hand-me-downs, or a curated heritage? Sparkles. Most people see a scratched table and think, trash. At Beki Décor, we see a breathtaking architectural statement. Today, we're decoding the furniture revelation, using wood and paint to perform shocking makeovers that will make you rethink everything in your home. Let's turn the worn out into your home's masterpiece. Welcome back to Beki Décor, the sanctuary for organic modernism and mindful transformation. I'm Beki. Whether you are a seasoned furniture flipper, or you're just starting to explore the potential of DIY, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are mastering sustainable upcycling. I'm sharing my senior designer secrets on how to achieve dramatic results with just a few tweaks and a fresh perspective. We're going to revitalize everyday pieces into show-stopping highlights that tell a story of elegance and eco-friendly creativity. Let's get grounded. Detailed. The wood and paint revelation. Designer sophistication. The raw and refined contrast. Wood plus paint. Luxury begins with material dialogue. Step 1. We're performing a shocking makeover by stripping the top of this desk to its raw, organic grain. Step 2. Paint the base in a high-contrast matte charcoal. This is designer sophistication. By pairing the warmth of raw wood with the edge of dark paint, you create a sophisticated silhouette. It turns a dated piece into an architectural anchor for your home office for the price of a pint of paint. Architectural depth. The fluted illusion. Surface alchemy. We're practicing linear rhythm to hide trash origins. Step 1. Take a basic, flat front cabinet and glue vertical wood slats across the front. Step 2. Paint the entire unit a single, muted tone. This is architectural depth. The slats create a play of light and shadow that makes a $10 thrift find look like a $2,000 bespoke installation. It's the ultimate upcycling secret for a chic, stylish home. Material alchemy. The tallow, bleach technique, organic wood transformation. To achieve breathtaking results, we have to rethink the wood itself. Step 1. Strip the old orange finish. Step 2. Use a bleaching technique to neutralize the tannins. This is material alchemy. It transforms heavy, dated furniture into a light, organic minimalist highlight. It's an eco-friendly revitalization that brings the beauty of nature indoors without the designer price tag. Designer intentionality. The hardware pivot. The final 10%. Never underestimate the power of tactile luxury. Step 1. Remove the generic hardware. Step 2. Replace it with something of scale. This is designer intentionality. A simple hardware swap on a painted piece changes the entire breathtaking narrative. It's a quick decor fix that makes your furniture flip look professional and uniquely yours. Living history. Shadow architecture. The night reveal. The final 10% is shadow architecture. By placing your revitalized wood pieces near warm lighting, you highlight the living history of the grain and the matte finish of the paint. Your furniture doesn't just look new, it feels evolved. You've successfully turned a worn-out piece into a show-stopping highlight of your sanctuary. Before you head out to start your own furniture journey, I just wanted to say a sincere thank you. Thank you for spending these moments of your day with me at Beki Décor. Your passion for giving old pieces a second life is the heartbeat of this channel. Every time you share your before and after stories, you're helping us grow a community of mindful creators who know that new isn't always better. If you haven't already, I'd love for you to officially join the family. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for being here, and for making this space so special. I'll see you in the next one. As we look at these final transformations, remember, today wasn't just about paint or wood. It was about resilience. It was about the beautiful act of seeing the potential in something that the world, and maybe even you, thought was finished. Your home is the sanctuary where your life unfolds. When you choose to transform a worn-out piece, you are declaring that beauty is found in the journey, not just the destination. You don't need a luxury budget to have a designer life. You just need the vision to see the soul in the scrap. Thank you for letting me be a part of your story today. Stay inspired and stay grounded.